So as I was making this bowl, my segments, I thought I was doing the right sizes, but every time I made a ring it didn't quite seem to be the size it needed to be, so I had to keep removing and adding different colored segments. And I was actually pretty worried it wasn't gonna work out for a while there because it was just so off, but it finally got back on, and it ended up actually giving me a really nice shape to this bowl. So I'm actually very happy with how it turned out. Love the contrast between the maple and the black walnut. I think it looks great. It's got a real nice shine to it. Cool pattern, little like saw blade tornado kind of thing. Not really sure what to call it, but yeah, overall pretty happy with this project, especially for it just being some leftover wood I had sitting around from other projects. So yeah, if you want to see a more in-depth look on how I make these segment bowls, check out the 4-part tutorial. It pretty much walks you through how to cut the segments, make the rings, clamp it up, turn it, and finish it. So it's pretty cool if you want to check that out. So yeah, there's today's project.